Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this cat applique. Now we see how to crochet this ears. Now we start with a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 10 chain crochet stitches. 10 chain crochet stitches. After we are done with 10 chain crochet stitches, we will skip first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till last stitch. Okay, we have to skip first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each stitch till the last stitch. When we are done with this, now we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work. Now see, we have to skip 2 stitches coming first and second after the chain crochet stitch. After chain crochet stitch, the first and second stitch we have to skip, and from third stitch again we start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till last stitch. So skip first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch. The first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch, skip those 2 stitches, and from third stitch start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till the end of the line. This you are going to repeat till we are left with only one stitch. See, now here we made the last stitch. See, we are making your last single crochet stitch. Make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Okay. Again skip first and second stitch after chain crochet stitch. And from third stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. So we are going to repeat this till we are left with only one stitch. So I'll just complete this and show you. Once we are done with the last stitch, now we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch all around the triangle. Okay, 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch all around the triangle. When we are done with the single crochet stitch round, 2 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, that round. After that, last round is there. Last round we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the triangle. Finish. Now see, following exactly same pattern, you have to make one more pink triangle for 2 ears, like 2 triangle, and following exactly same pattern, we have to make 2 black triangle, and only difference will be in black triangle. In starting we will make 15 chain crochet stitches. In pink we started with 10, in black it will be 15. See, these are crochet cat ears for black cats, because we will see how to crochet this flat circle. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small, but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, now we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration, and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we will make 3 more rounds, and pattern for all three rounds is going to be same. We will start each round with 2 chain crochet stitches. Then in next stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch, and next stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch. Using back loop of every stitch you have to make other stitches also. And in next stitch, that is the third stitch, we will make 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch itself. 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch itself. So it's a pattern of 1 1 2 1 1 2. This we are going to repeat for whole of the round, and for 3 and we are going to make 3 rounds. Following same pattern, you can make it as big as you want. This is for tutorial purpose, that's why 3 rounds. Now after this, for next round we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, using back loop of every stitch. 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Now this round comes after you have completed your desired length. It's like for tutorial purpose I made only 3 rounds. You can make as big as you want. And then this round of 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now for the last round, it is only 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, all around. 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. That's it. Then our black portion is complete. I'll just complete this and show you. Now this is how a final piece looks like. This is how final piece looks like. Now see, while placing the ears, fold your circle in between, mark a mid stitch, okay, and count 10 stitches left and 10 stitches right, and then stitch your ears in those places. Okay, so this is how it is going to look. In fact, I will show you a main final piece also, where all eyes and eyes will be there, nose will be there, mouth will be there. So it looks cute, pretty. And please let me know if you have tried. Have you in the comment box? I would like to see all your comments. Please let me know whether you have tried, you had any problem, anything. Okay, and I hope so you have understood my whole tutorial video. I'll just show you the final piece also. See, this is how so cute. Okay, so if you have liked the video, like, comment, share, subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. You'll find videos for Applique. Now this is a cat applique. You will get Pikachu applique tutorial video, bunny applique tutorial video, teddy bear applique tutorial video, then reindeer is there, reindeer applique is there, leprechaun applique is there, and many. Plus I'm coming up with new and new ideas and new tutorial videos. So, and crochet curtain tie back, crochet keychain, crochet coaster, crochet doily, crochet table center pieces, stitches of crochet starting tutorials are also there. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.